Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? I hope all of you are fine. So today we'll solve a worksheet of exercise 10. Actually, this worksheet is prepared by me for my personal students. So I want to share the solution all of you. I think it will help you a lot. So how can you solve this problem? Look at number one. Number one says, find the volume of a room 6 meter by 5 meter by 4 meter. So how can you solve this problem? We know that volume of a room is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So what is the length here? Length is 6, breadth is 5, and height is 4. And what will be the unit? Meter cube. So after multiplying these three value, we'll get our final solution. Look, 6 5 ja 30, 34 ja 120 meter cube. So 120 meter cube will be the answer of this problem. Very simple. Now, number two. Number two says the area of the floor of a room is 12 meters square and it is 2 meter high. Find its volume. So how can you solve this problem? Look, here, area of the floor of a room is given, that is 12 square meter. And it is 2 meter high. That means height is also given. Height, h equal to 2 meter. What will be the volume? Simple thing. Volume is equal to area multiplied by height. So area is 12, height is 2. So 12 multiplied by 2, that will be 24 meter cube. That is the final answer of this problem. So number C will be the final answer. You have to be careful at unit. 24 meters square. This is the unit of the area, but unit of the volume will be cubic meter. So be careful. Okay. Now number three. Number three says the volume of a room is 250 meter cube. The area of its floor is 50 square meter. Find its height. That means volume is given. At number three, volume is given, that is 250 meter cube. And area of its floor 50 meters square. So area is also given, that is 50 square meter. Find its height. So what will be the height? Height will be volume divided by area. Now look at this. By using this formula, we can easily solve it. What is the volume? Volume is 250. And what is the area? Area is 50. So 250 divided by 50, it will be 5. So answer will be 5 meter. Look, number C, 5 meter. Now, number 4. Number 4 says find square root of 196. So how can we find out the square root of 196? We can easily find out the square root of 196 by finding out their prime factor. At first, try to find out the prime factor. We can divide it by 2 at first. 2 9 ja 18. So 1 will be left, 16, 2 8 ja 16. Again, we can divide 98 by 2, then we will get 49. Again, we can divide it by 7, then 7 7 ja 49. Square root of 196 is equal to square root of 2 square multiplied by 7 square. And square root means we have to multiply the power by half. And square root means we have to multiply the power by half. So after dividing, we'll get 2 multiplied by 7, that will be 40. So square root of 196 will be 40. If we get two same factor, then we take only one factor out of these two. Out of these two factor, we have to take only one factor. So 2 multiplied by 7, that will be 40. And that is the answer of number 4. Now number 5. Number 5 says a room is L meters long, B meters wide, and H meters high. Find a formula for its total surface area. So in a room, there are total 6 surface area. Okay. So what will be the final formula? So total surface area will be 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. And unit will be meter square. Okay, square meter. Simple. Now, number 6. Number 6 says, if each pupil must be allowed 12 meter cube of air, how many pupils can be put in a room 9 meter long, 8 meter wide, and 4 meter high? So at first, we have to find out the volume of the room. So we can find out the volume of the room by using the formula. length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So given length L equal to 9 meter, width W equal to 8 meter, and height H equal to 4 meter. So what will be the volume? Volume will be, that means volume of the room will be length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 meter cube. So volume of the room is this one. We don't need to multiply. Why? Look, here 12 meter cube of air is given. That is the allocated volume of each pupil. That means we have to divide the volume of the room by allocated volume of each pupil. Then we'll get how many pupils can be put in this room. Look, then we can write number of pupils. Number of pupils are 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 12. Okay, just we have to divide. How can we divide? Look at this. At first we can divide this 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4, that will be 3. Then divide 9 by 3. 9 can be divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9. Then final answer will be 3 8 are 24. So here our answer will be 24 pupils. Okay, and in this way we can easily solve this worksheet. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.